This is the first ever Jayco Reserve in Visayas and Mindanao. Hey guys, Kenneth here. Come with me as we visit Jayco Reserve in Ayala Center, Cebu. And they are located sa Level 1 sa Ayala Terraces beside Watami Restaurant. And this is what the place looks like inside. It's spacious, cozy, nice interior, and daghan og choices. And guys, pwede na dyan mupalit sa ilahang coffee grounds, and the packaging is really giving. Diri sa Jayco Reserve, they are offering all-day breakfast, and mo din nilang wide array of menus. Super daghan na kayog kapilian, so please pause lang for your reference. Nasa sila new premium donuts na super barato and lami kaayo. And they have new special drinks, from hot and iced coffee to coffee mocktail. And guys, mo din yung order. We tried their iced Spanish latte and flat white. Before, if mag-order kag any type of coffee na ay free na glazed donut, karon almond cookie na lang. Cute kaayo siya, okay ang lasa, tabang lang. Then for their iced Spanish latte, sakto ang lasa and sakto ang sweetness. Then lastly, silang flat white, how I wish na siya handle kay init ba akong gi-order. But I love this. I love their flat white. Ang ganahan ko sa ang lasa. Then dili makompleto akong Jayco experience if dili mo kaon sa akong favorite na Al Capone. We really had fun sa Jayco Reserve and we will surely visit the store again. So what are you waiting for? Visit Jayco Reserve and salamat sa pagtanaw!